Today I'm going to show you how to show yourself as busy in Outlook. So I'm starting by opening the Microsoft Outlook app on my computer. Once it opens, I'm logging into my account so all my emails can load in. I'm just waiting a moment here while everything comes up on the screen and my inbox appears. Now that my email has loaded, I need to get into the calendar section because that's where I'll actually set my status to busy. So I'm looking down at the bottom left part of my screen where the navigation menu is located. Right there I can see the calendar icon. I'm going ahead and clicking on that now. As soon as I click it, Outlook switches over from my email view to the calendar view. This is where I can see all my appointments, meetings, and time blocks that I've already set up. Now that the calendar menu has opened, showing myself as busy in Outlook is actually pretty straightforward. What I need to do is create a new appointment and set the status to busy within that appointment. So I'm heading up to the top left part of my screen where I can see the new appointment button. I'm clicking on that now, and right away a new appointment window pops up. This is where I'll configure all the details for the time block I want to mark as busy. From here, I'm going to select the start date and time for when I'm going to be busy. So I'm clicking on the date field and picking the exact day this applies to. Then I'm doing the same thing for the time, making sure it matches when I actually need to show as unavailable. Once I've got the start time set, I can also adjust the end time if I need this to cover a specific block of hours. Now I'm entering a title in the subject field. This could be something like busy or do not disturb or anything that helps me remember why I blocked this time off. If I want, I can also add more details in the notes section below, but that part is optional. Now I'm looking at the top part of my screen where the options section is located. This is the important part. Right here, I can see a drop-down menu labeled Show As. I'm clicking on that drop-down now, and when it opens, I'm seeing a few different status options like free, tentative, busy, and out of office. What I need to do is select busy from this list. So I'm clicking on busy now. This tells Outlook and anyone who has access to my calendar that I'm unavailable during this time. Once I've configured everything, I'm heading down and clicking the save button. As soon as I click that, the appointment gets added to my calendar, and now on the set date and time I chose, my status will appear as busy. This means that if my colleagues have access to my shared calendar, they'll see that I'm unavailable during that block. It's a really simple way to let people know when you can't be interrupted without having to send out individual messages or emails. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.